Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Mark Khan, and today we're taking a look at XRP, as XRP is one of the most trending cryptocurrencies today, and we're actually in the green. Earlier today, a little bit higher, but right now it's pretty much right in the neutral. What's going on with XRP and why it looked like there's general interest around this one again, and money's starting to flow back in. That's exactly what we're gonna go ahead and take a look on today. Before we start though, I do gotta ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any updates just like this. And while you're at it, check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification ID or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. We're able to buy and swap Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies with Best Wallet, the smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Link to download in the description box below. Every download supports the channel tremendously. Now we see XRP's on a fantastic rip on the day in the green, on the week up about 1%, and the month still down over 10%, but sitting in a pretty decent buying opportunity just around the $2 price zone. When the markets recover, this is going to be a fantastic entry point. XRP has the most aggressive short position. Traders are heavily net shorting on majors with XRP, showing almost no long support at all. Shorts versus longs. For Bitcoin, it's 131 versus 70. For Ethereum, it's 110 versus 58. For Sol, it's 34 versus 13. For XRP, it's 15 million versus 0.6 million, which is just absolutely insane. I think usually when people zig, I like to zag, and I think there's gonna be a very interesting spot for XRP in the near future. Now, talking about some bullish case for XRP, the expansion. XRP expands to Asia with new Hong Kong listing. So a new listing could bring in some fresh liquidity to help push the price of XRP. Before we continue reading this, I want to take a second to talk about another altcoin that's getting a lot of traction, and that is Bitcoin Hyper. If you're subscribed to the channel, you already know Bitcoin Hyper because I've been covering this one pretty closely. But if you're new, let me go ahead and give you the rundown. Bitcoin Hyper is bringing L2 technology to Bitcoin, the first fastest ever L2 chain on BTC. Scalability for Bitcoin is finally here. Now I know I said the first, it's not the first L1. It just wants to be the first, It wants to be the best L1, bringing Bitcoin faster and cheaper, or making Bitcoin faster and cheaper to start building and developing on BTC. Bitcoin Hyper official pre-sale website. You can buy now with Card Crypto directly from the website. I'm leaving the website link in the description box below. They've raised over $29 million in their pre-sale, and on average, they're raising over $50,000 to $100,000 a day. Even in market conditions like this, which just goes to show a whole lot of investor confidence. The Bitcoin Hyper will unlock the true power of Bitcoin for payments, meme coins, and dApps. If you're interested in buying the pre-sale, the website link is in the description box below. But back to the article and XRP's expansion, as we're seeing it's entering a Hong Kong listing. Ripple token just secured a new win as regulated crypto OSL Hong Kong officially listed XRP for professional investors. Deposit and withdrawals are now open, and trading is live across both flash trade and OTC channels, a sign that compliant markets continue to warm up to the asset. Again, very, very bullish. OLS confirmed 3 support pairs: XRP HKD, XRP USD, and XRP USDT, all operating under Hong Kong's strict licensing rules. While access is limited to professionals for now, the move during XRP's footprint in one of Asia's most closely monitored crypto hubs. For Ripple watchers, it's another step towards a broader global integration, steady, regulated, and building momentum in regions that take compliance seriously. Now, again, a very, very bullish listing. And again, where some people might think it's a con that's only for professionals, I actually think that's actually very better, because there are a lot of, especially in the real estate world, these funds, they're only vetted for professionals. It's just to keep the market informed rather than having a bunch of retail that doesn't know what's going on. They don't know when to buy, they don't know when to sell. This is more experience, and also usually larger bag holders, that makes sense, right? Richer crowd generally, or not richer, but more informed at least, and that's why they're gonna have bigger positions, which again is going to be great for XRP, and things are starting to look good. We see alert XRP sentiment hits extreme fear levels, historically preceding rebounds. Price fades weekends despite strong institutional demand. So again, I personally think this is a great time to be buying, because we're seeing a lot of selling pressure, down over 10%. I think it is a time to strike. And overall crypto market doing well today. Market up about 1%. In terms of fear ingredients, we're sitting at 24. Also 19 out of 100. And then the RSI is currently sitting at 47.69. Not too much in the oversold spot. Definitely still oversold, or closer to oversold, but overall pretty much in the neutral. the markets are looking like a pretty decent spot to be sitting in, and looks like good bullish news could be coming to crypto very soon. We're seeing a BTC, according to Treasury Secretary, the US is now in a golden era of cryptocurrency, and if this is just a start, we're about to see some crazy moves in the crypto space. Now, guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor. Therefore, none of this is financial advice. If you're watching these update videos, you know what to do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, as we're covering crypto very closely, whether it be altcoins, meme coins, anything and everything in between. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.